Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce a bit about the TikTok software that we use. But before we get into TikTok, I'll talk a little about how to get your live stream recommended. Here, as you can see, right, all these recommended sections, they all have this views, interactions. There, as you can see, everything here has very good views and interactions, right? All platforms, they all evaluate based on views and interactions, which will help your stream get recommended more. If your views aren't good, for example, if you switch to this section here, see there are only about 5 viewers, or here there are only 3 viewers. You won't be able to convey the product's message to customers and they'll feel like, oh, this product doesn't have any value for me. Secondly, when customers see your stream only has 4 or 5 viewers or just 2 or 3, they get bored and leave right away. So first of all, you need to have likes, comments and views to make your stream appear more credible to customers. That way, it stimulates customers' desire to buy. Additionally, you should keep commenting and liking continuously to help your stream get recommended. And here is the interface of my TikTok software. As you can see, I am managing a lot of accounts here and each account can be assigned a different proxy to ensure safety. So for a live stream or a video to reach the right target audience, you need to have user habits, right? For example, those accounts need to watch videos or live streams related to this topic. So here in my software, there's an account interaction section which will help you nurture accounts that match your target audience. For instance, you can click here to add script. For example, here I have prepared 14 scripts for 14 days to nurture an account to be as strong as possible. And here, for example, this is my second one. So here I will just do what a normal person would do. For example, when you scroll through TikTok, right, you watch these videos, then you see how long you watch them, you share, right? Well, our software can do exactly the same thing. And next is interacting with that keyword. For instance, here I interact with keywords like cosmetic or beauty, for example. As you may notice, when you go on TikTok, you scroll through some videos, then you go to the search bar, search for those keywords and then return to the newsfeed. Just within the first 5 to 10 videos, I guarantee the product you just searched for will show up. So based on that factor, when you go live, it will pull in viewers who belong to the same customer segment to watch your live stream. It will distribute your live stream to viewers like that. This is a way to increase interaction during your live stream and attract the right target customers. Next, after you're done, you just need to click save, select the accounts you want and then start. This is the additional section. Before each live stream session, about 15 to 30 minutes beforehand, you should run this feature once and then start your live stream to achieve the best possible results. Next, if you want to increase interaction on this live stream, on this video, you should go to the setting function feature. So here in choose the type of setting, you can select this video, choose a keyword or select live stream, for example. For instance, if it's a video, you just need to paste a bunch of your links here. Then each account will interact, setting many links like this. For example, here I enter 56 for instance. Then after that, you set how long it will watch for. For example, if it's a real viewer, they might watch a video for about 5 to 15 seconds. So here you can set that up. Then after that, you can set likes, comments and all the comment scenarios you want. You can use ChatGPT for that, then just paste them right here. So TikTok will evaluate the distribution, right? Here you have comments, interactions, and then the number of views, right? In the first part, I already explained that clearly. So after you're done, you just need to click save, that's it. And here, if you don't want these comments to be duplicated, you can just leave it as the default setting. As for live streams, right, you just need to switch it to live stream mode, that's all. Then after that, you just input the link as usual. Commenting, dropping, giving hearts, and then watching the video from a certain time to another. So if you are in the best case scenario, for the optimal case, this number should be set from 150 seconds to up to 300 seconds. Because 3 minutes is a pretty good duration for retaining viewers. It will be rated quite well, that's it. Or you can just randomize everything. So what do you need the tool for? Our software can do that. And after you're done, right, you just need to select this account. You choose the accounts you want and just hit start, that's it.